Okay, so let's take a look at how you can embed Facebook post, be it like image post or video, into your Drupal article. So I have this Drupal article where I wish to embed Facebook post at the end. So I'm going to remove this particular Instagram post that I have embedded and replace it with Facebook video or image. Okay, so go to your any page where you have option to embed your video. So simply go to these three buttons here. Okay, now currently I'm getting these editor options. So what I'm going to do is instead go to third party. Okay, so third party pages. Okay, so let's check some of the pages. Okay, now here you can see this Dodo page has a video. Okay, now if I check these three dots at the right hand side, I have option to embed that particular post. So I'm going to click on that. So here you have checkbox that says include full post or only include this video. So what we can do is click on copy code, and it's in default stage where it only embeds video. Now go to your article, click on edit. Okay, now it shows the editor which I want to open it in source format and remove earlier editing, as you can see here, from block code for Instagram, and remove that particular embedding. Right now here I'm going to paste my code. Right, this is the small embed code, and make sure that text format for editor at this time is full HTML. Okay, now time to save our article. Okay, once saved, it will take some time to load that particular post, so we will scroll slowly and wait for it. Okay, so entire video is now embedded here. If you want, you can also copy the full post where you can also get the caption and other options which will be embedded here as well. Okay, so this was for video. So let's see if we can embed other post that contains images. So for image, okay, this one belongs to actually group, so I can't embed that. So let's keep scrolling for image. Okay, so let's see if I can find any. Considering this is endless scrolling, what we can do is go to other page. Okay, so let's go with Dodo for now. There should be at least one image. So go to photos section. Okay, now it should load the post that has images. Go with the post that has simple image. Okay, so let me wait for it to load at least few images here. Okay, so when I click on the image, it should take me to that particular image post. Okay, considering it's not loading, let's go with the one that is visible. Now if I click on these three dots, it should take me to this options where I can see embed. Click on embed, and hopefully it should allow me to embed that, but it's taking me to this particular option. Okay, now Now that this post is loaded, you can click on get code. Okay, now we'll just choose iframe, copy that, and then go to our Drupal article, click on edit. Then we have to remove the previous iframe by clicking on source, then select that particular iframe and then paste the new one. Make sure that text format relates to full HTML. Now save it. Okay, now you can wait for it to load the post, and here you can see your post in image format along with other full post data is added as well. So you get the idea how to embed image post or video post in Drupal from Facebook.